Hi everyone, it's Hana Sensei. So today I want to be talking about vowel sounds. Okay, so we have 5 vowels. All right, so there is A, E, I, O, U. That's the 5 vowels in English. Okay, and all of these vowels have at least 2 different sounds and sometimes more. So we have long sound vowels and short sound vowels. Okay, so first I'm going to be talking about the long sound vowels. The long sound vowels means that it says the same name as the name of the letter. So if the name of the letter is A, then those sounds are all going to be A. If the vowel name is E, all of those sounds are going to be E. If it is an I, the sound is the same, I. O is all the sound is O. U, all of these sounds are U. Okay, so how do we know if the letter says the name of the vowel? Okay, so usually if it has these letters together, these are the silent letters. If they are together with A, E, I, O, U, then you know that that is going to say the name of the letter, and these are going to be silent. You don't say them. Okay? So first we're going to do the long A. Okay? A, 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 A. Okay, so you have A and E with one space between. You can put any letter here, but there's only one letter between the A and the E. When an A and an I are next to each other, an A or a Y are next to each other, and also E, I, G, H. Okay, a lot of Japanese learners use EI as an A sound because they think A, and that makes an A sound for Japanese people. But in English, we do not use only the E and the I. You have to have the GH together with the EI to make an A sound. And this is only sometimes, not in many words. Okay, the next one is E. E, 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 E. So you have 2 E's together, E and an A together, EY. And then at the end of a 4 or 5 letter word with Y at the end, that Y is going to make an E sound. Okay. This one is I, 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 I. So we have the I and the E, one space between. I, E together. I, G, H. And also Y if it is a 2-letter or 3-letter word. So short words have the I sound, longer words have the E sound. Okay, next is O. O, 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 O. Okay, This is O and E with one space between. O, A next to each other. O, W next to each other. Now, OW sometimes makes an ow sound, but usually if it is at the end of a word, it says O sound. And then this is O at the end of a short word. Next is U. U, 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 U. So we have a U and an E with one space in between. UE next to each other. UI next to each other. U and I with a space in between. This is used for words like unicorn or universe, where it has a U and an I. Okay, and then there's an EW, and this EW also says ooh, like new. Okay, so those are the long vowel sounds. Okay, there are some other combinations or ways that you can use long sounds. These are all of the basic sounds for long sounds. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you again next time. Bye.